that on our finished solarium.
Yeah? Does it look good?
I think it looks great.
Yeah.
The biggest job was the decking here. It's gone now, but this was all decked out. It was getting a bit rotten, wasn't it?
Yeah, falling to pieces.
They were falling to pieces, there were bits chipping off it, and he had some really pretty lights that used to come on, didn't they? When we first bought, we used to like turning them on at night, and they used to change colour.
But they've not worked for a good couple of years.
I think it's more than a couple. I don't think they've worked for 4 years. And it did look a bit unsightly, so we got rid of it. And we had the pagoda stained.
Well, first, it had to be all sanded down.
Yeah. Now, Steve did a great job. Steve the painter, we'll give him a plug.
Yeah.
Did a really good job for us, and he spent quite a long time on this, sanding it down. It's a lovely colour as well, isn't it? It's like walnut colour.
Yeah, walnut colour.
A dark wood colour. So, yeah, it looks great, doesn't it?
And the top?
The
It's
top
now blue.
is now blue. It used to be green. We've had 2 green ones and a blue one. When we bought in 2017, there was a green one on there, but it was in tatters. And then when we changed this, we thought we'll have a different colour, didn't we? Because everything else is blue. And we thought we'd replace it with a blue one.
Yeah, and I think it looks really nice. And
Yeah.
I've put my little lights back up on there.
Yeah. So that covers this area. We've got rid of the old chairs.
The metal chairs, yeah.
The metal chairs were awful, I thought, and they weren't comfortable.
They were all rusty. I'd
Couple of
painted them a
times.
couple of times.
So we thought, well, let's get rid of them
Yeah.
and get some good old plastic chairs. That covers that area. Now let's have a look over here. New table and chairs.
So this is our new table and chairs. We've got
Yeah.
4 chairs.
Very
They're
expensive.
€10 each, and they won't rot, they won't go rusty.
That's the thing.
And a table.
Everything in Spain on a solarium gets destroyed by the sun, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like paintwork and wood, it does go very quickly in the sun. It just gets burnt in the sun. And I bet these last longer than some metal ones.
Yeah. And it's easy to move about, so we can move it wherever we want it.
Yeah, and this is now the editing suite. As you can see, we've got the computers on there.
And it was only €120 complete with delivery.
Yeah, not bad, eh?
Yeah.
Well, let's have a look over here then.
Here we had a shower and an aerial on the side, and we hadn't taken them down. Steve's painted all this with some special tile paint.
Expensive as well, I think it was.
It was expensive, yeah.
But it's good stuff, and I suppose it'll last for a few years, hopefully.
Yeah, looks better.
We just need to paint the top of there, don't we?
Yeah, we still need to get some ochre paint for the top.
Ochre.
Ochre.
Ochre. Great, come on then. Let's crack on. Right now, here, we've lost Yvonne's best friend. Were your best friend, wasn't it?
That wasn't my best friend, that was your best friend.
Oh, with my best friend.
Yours.
It used to be there, look, see the 4 holes. Actually, we started off with it there, and then we've got another 4 holes there because we've got a bigger dish. But in the event of fantastic telecommunications and technical things, we don't need dishes anymore because we've got a fire stick. And the old fire stick gets us our TV, and it gets us everything we need, doesn't it?
It does. And it's made a lot more space.
Yeah, look, it's gone. And look at all this room we've got now. It were here, wasn't it? We're like massive.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. So you know what'll go nicely in that corner now, don't you?
You.
A swing seat.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Anyway, let's crack on.
And this is what we call our shed.
Shed.
And we've had the doors repainted inside and out. They were all rusty. It's all been rubbed down, nicely painted. And all round the edges were all rotten, wasn't it? And up here.
New tiles.
It's all been redone. These tiles were cracked, so a lot of those has been knocked off.
Oh yeah, we took them off, didn't we? They're not
Yeah.
new tiles.
No,
we took the tiles
We
off.
took some off.
Yeah.
So all that's been repainted.
And all this bit's been done.
All that's been done and repainted.
Thanks again to Steve.
Yeah.
Doing a good job.
And round this side, all new down that side.
Yeah.
And on top, I've got 2 little pots for the birds.
Oh, the birds.
One with water and one with some bread.
We look after our birds, don't we?
Little sparrows. Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Right, so what about the gate then?
Yeah, the gate's been painted in white.
Yes. That nice?
Nice. It was silver, but now it's white.
I did like it silver.
No, well, I only did it silver because I had that paint. So I just used some paint just to sort of cover up the rust.
To save you buying some fresh paint.
Well, it was just there in the shed, so
Okay.
I used it.
What sort of paint did you use?
Same as we used on the doors on the shed. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. We used Emerite.
We hope you've enjoyed our tour of the newly refurbished solarium. There's a bit more to do on it when we get back in March.
And as you can see, we're back in our tiny little house in Cleckheaton, and it's
Freezing!
What temperature is it?
-1
-1.
outside.
Cars are sparkling.
That's what I said.
Blimey, I know it's Christmas, we don't need sparkling on the cars. Anyway, we're hoping to do a live episode from here soon, so keep in touch and watch out for the notifications.
We'll also be doing some more episodes from here, keeping you up to date on what's happening in Torrevieja, and also our annual bloopers episode in time for Christmas.
Are you saying we make mistakes?
We do make mistakes.
We haven't got any outtakes though,
I think we have.
have we?
I think we've got plenty.
Oh dear.
So, we hope you'll join us for those.
And on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1. Bing!
Ping.
Adios.
Told you we didn't make any mistakes.
We made loads of mistakes.
Didn't make any.
Didn't that time, no.
Well, did all right, didn't we?